Control isn't in the apps. Control is in how you use them. If your iPhone battery drains fast, your data disappears, and apps consume power even when you're not using them. Stay with me for just 1 minute. We won't delete a single app. We'll change how you use your phone with 5 very important settings, and you'll be surprised by the result. Stay with me. 1. Stop apps from running in the background. First thing, apps run behind the scenes without you noticing. Steps: Settings. General. Background app refresh. Turn it off for heavy apps, or turn it off completely if you don't need instant updates. This way, you stop battery and data usage when the app isn't open. 2. Notifications. Every notification equals opening the app equals consumption. Steps: Settings. Notifications. Select the app. Turn off unimportant notifications. Leave only what you actually need. The app stays there, but it's not pulling you in. 3. Control data usage. There are apps that use data even while you're on your phone. Steps: Settings. Cellular. Scroll down to the app. Turn off data for non-essential apps. Also, from cellular data options, data mode. Enable low data mode. Now you decide when the app works. 4. Location. Only when needed. Not every app needs to know your location all the time. Steps: Settings. Privacy and security. Location services. For each app, set location access to while using the app, and turn off precise location if you don't need it. 5. Automatic updates. There's no such thing as an app updating while you're asleep. Steps: Settings. App Store. Turn off automatic updates. Update manually whenever you want. In the end, if you feel these settings made a difference, subscribe, because in the next video, we'll take deeper control of specific apps by name. And write in the comments, which app was draining you the most? See you in the next video.